All right, on this edition of 90s Hunter, I bring you a 52-inch Hunter Studio Series remote in white. The other side does have the bleached oak option. Got a nice fitter on here. Everything is Hunter except for the actual fitter. That's a Westinghouse Universal fitter I had lying around, but came complete. Even came with the remote, which I have right here. Everything works on it. Show you the light. The light does dim. I'll go ahead and show that off here. Even with an LED bulb, which is kind of nice. The fan was made in March of 1997, which is kind of cool because this part of my house, the addition, was built in 97, 98, so the fan is definitely period correct. So we'll go ahead and start off on low. And this was back when Hunter was the quiet fan, you know. Still whisper quiet, you can't hear a thing out of it. No bearing noise, it's a really nice runner. It originally had a white Williamsburg fitter on here. While I did like that fitter, it was just gonna hang too low. And it came with some really nice glass on it too. It was all genuine Hunter. I can imagine this fan was probably quite expensive back in the day, especially with it being a remote. Bump her up to medium here. And I got it at Habitat for 10 bucks. And it puts out a pretty good breeze. And we'll crank up to high here. Definitely moves a really good amount of air. Get you from this side. And we'll shut it back off here. Get you one last view here. Get a nice bottom view, if you will. All right, folks. Say what you want about it. Yeah, it doesn't move as much air as the Casablanca I had in here, but the Mercury is probably going to be finding a new home not before too long, so. And, you know, I remember seeing these fans all the time when I was a kid, whether it was a Studio Series or, you know, it does resemble a low profile as well because they got the same vents, but still pretty nostalgic for me. Happy to have it. It's probably going to be swapped out if I find something else, but anyway, that's all, folks. Thanks for watching.